Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Teams underscore auto starter.exe error that you are receiving in Microsoft Teams, and the poll error message reads the parameter is incorrect. So this problem often arises due to corrupted files or missing registry keys essential for managing a startup process. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions that we're going to do is to repair and reset Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to launch Windows settings. And once open up this Windows settings, at left side menu, and then you need to select apps. And then on right side, and then you need to click installed apps. Under at installed apps, and you can see here this search app, and then you need to type Microsoft Teams. And automatically you can see now this Microsoft Teams. And next steps, on right side, and then you need to click this three dot and then select advanced option. So here at advanced option settings, and then scroll down, and then you need to find and locate this reset. So if this app isn't working right, and then we can try to repair it. And then you need to tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process. Repair process complete. And next step, so if this app is still isn't working right, and then you can try to reset, and then tap this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then next step, so click reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset procedures are totally complete, and then we need to close the settings. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to disable Microsoft Teams from the startup. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. So once open up this Task Manager, and on left side menu, and then you need to select Startup App. So click. And on right side, and then you need to find and locate this Microsoft Teams. And once you find or locate already this Microsoft Teams, so all you have to do is to select and right click. And then you need to disable, right? So click disable to fix the error. So once it's done here at Task Manager, and then you need to close. And then here at Start menu, and then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix the Microsoft Teams underscore auto starter.exe error in Microsoft Teams. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.